stop scrolling. I'm gonna show you how to make $500 a day. Check this out. Go to the site rev.com. You can either be a transcriptionist, a captioner, or even caption foreign subtitles. So as a transcriptionist and a captioner at $1.25 a minute, there's the math on that what you can make per day. But if you know a foreign language, you could be making that per day. Now the process to sign up is super easy. When you're on this main page, just scroll all the way down, click on Become a Freelancer. Fill out the simple sign-in process, get signed up, get started. Now transcribing and captioning can be a lot of work, typing out people's words. It can take you longer than what it might think, but you can make it easier by doing Google Docs voice typing. But if you want something different, you want an online business, you want to create real wealth, learn how to do affiliate marketing by checking out the link in my bio. It's the Legendary Marketer Online Business Builder Challenge. Learn how to build an online business from the ground up in 15 days for $7.